everyone, so I just finished my old moleskine sketchbook. It's filled up to the last page and have a quick flip through. There we go, it's done. So luckily I have a spare. It comes like this. So let's just unwrap it and we can kickstart our sketch of today. I'm going to need to order a few more moleskine sketchbooks if we're going to be locked down for longer. So here we go, my new sketchbook. Inside, and I have to figure out what sketch of the day we're doing. I'll have a little think and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I've thought about it, and today's sketch of the day is gonna be my best friend's pet Lara. She's been asking me to sketch Lara for quite a while now, but I've been putting it off because I've been doing my bird series and my alcohol series, so I think she deserves it today. You next, how I sketch. So I'll show you my box of pens that I use. So I'm in love with my Tombow brush pens. They're really versatile, and I can get them everywhere I go, in different countries. I can get them online. And they're great because they're dual brushes. I'm going to show you what I mean by dual brush. So one side is the brush and the other side is more like a pen. So these are great, and you can blend the colors together. The other material I use is my micron pens. They're alcohol free, they're pigment pens. They come in different nib sizes, so this is a 0.2, 0.8, and I have also this, which is a calligraphy pen brush, and I use this for the writing. So please enjoy my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get notified of my next art video. So stay home, stay safe, be creative, and please start your own art challenge. You can tag me, Bulan Lifestyle, or also tag me, Bulan COVID, and I'll have a look at your sketches and I'll drop by and comment. See you later. Enjoy my video. Take care.
Here's a little song I rewrote. You might wanna sing it note for note, but don't worry. Be happy. COVID-19, we got some trouble, but if we worry, we'll make it double. Don't worry. Just stay at home and wash your hands and be happy. Keep complaining you can't find bread, or while you're eating that big juicy steak. So don't worry, don't be an ass, be happy. There are heroes out there fighting for our lives to make sure everybody survives. So don't worry, stay at home and be worthy.